video, which is going to be for AC more. I didn't want to crash all the videos all in once because, again, the video will be like super long. But let me show you really quickly what I got at AC More because I didn't get too many stuff, but I wanted to show you what I got, right? So I went to AC More and I found some things that they had in clearance. The first thing that I found were these beautiful little sheeps. Oh my god, they had these on sale, or actually in clearance. These sheeps normally go for $8. They had these for $3, guys, and they're just so adorable. Look at these sheeps, how cute they are. Aren't these adorable? I just love them. Their body is very furry and their faces are just to die for. I mean, how do you say like no to that face? Really? How? So I couldn't. So I grabbed two of these babies. I thought they were super cute. I just loved them. And they are part of the Easter season. So I'm not sure if you're going to find these. But if you do, make sure you grab them. They're super cute. Okay. Then they had a bin in a little corner where they had a whole bunch of stuff for clearance. And I came across this sort of like bird nest, and I thought it would be awesome to do like a project, so I just grabbed it. It was only 50 cents. They only had one though. I wish they had more. I grabbed it. Okay, then I also came across in the same section where they had all these stuff in clearance. I had originally picked up these gorgeous Easter eggs, and they were $4 a bag. They were $3.99, and I thought it was a lot of money. I thought it was pretty pricey, but I love the way the eggs were, like the colors and just everything about the eggs I just loved. But then I looked around and I came across these, and I was like, wait a second, these are really awesome. Not only are they awesome, they were in clearance for 50 cents. So I was like, oh, no. We're changing, and we grabbed a whole bunch of these, put the other ones back. So these were only 50 cents, guys. I thought these were awesome. I love the color. I thought it would be perfect for a nice Easter project. So I grabbed a few. Now, what is a few, right? So I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I grabbed 6 of the ones that have the bigger eggs, and then I grabbed 1, 2, 3, and I grabbed 4 of these because I thought these were really awesome to also kind of like incorporate in a nice little project. I mean, okay, this is a lot of Easter eggs. I know what you're saying. But one, it's, you know, $1, and 2, I just love these colors, and 3, I really don't have an excuse. I'm just making this up, but I just love them, so I grabbed them, okay? And that's it. Can't make up any more excuses. I don't have any more. Okay, that's that. Now, I want to show you what I also got, which I thought they were awesome. I showed you this in my Hobby Lobby video, but I picked up a few of these little eggs because I thought they were awesome. These are tiny little miniature eggs. I thought they were so cute. I grabbed like 3 bags of these, and I thought that they would be perfect to do a DIY project using these little eggs. So I thought they were awesome. So I grabbed a few of these little baggies of like these little miniature eggs. And then I also picked up 2 of these because I thought to myself, this will be perfect to do a project for Easter. So these are kind of like these little ornaments that you hang up, and you open it up here, and you can create yourself like a little nice scenery, and then have it display somewhere like in your counter, or even like hung up somewhere. So I thought these would be awesome, and I grabbed 2 just in case I mess up on one. I have another one. These are actually plastic, but if you look at them from far away, they kind of look like glass. So I thought these would be an awesome idea to create a DIY project with. And they only cost $1, which I thought it was perfect. So, and then, what else did I grab? And then I said to myself, let me see, hold on one second. What else did I buy that I wanted to show you? Oh, the dollar store. Yes, of course. Here, the dollar stuff, I mean, I didn't grab too many stuff. I already showed you what I grabbed from the dollar store, but I did not show you in that video, which was Hobby Lobby, the other stuff that I grabbed. So at the dollar store, I went crazy grabbing these little, let me see if I can put you up close. Grabbing these, I don't need to do this, but of course, you know Jenny. Jenny will always do something that she doesn't need to do. I grabbed a whole bunch of these beautiful greeting cards that are Easter related because I have a project that I want to do with you guys. And I'm not going to say too much about it right now because I'm still in the process of trying to, in my mind, figure out how I'm going to put this together for you guys. But I'm going to have like a 3 or 4 part video using these greeting cards, and I grabbed a few of them that were Easter related because again, I'm gonna do a project with you guys, and I think you're going to really enjoy and make a lot of use out of this project that I am planning to do for you guys. So anyway, I grabbed this card that is kind of like, it's not really Easter related, okay? It says here, babies make everything twice as much fun. It's more like a baby card. It's for a baby shower, but because it has like a little cute little chickie here and it's kind of Easter related, I thought this would be perfect for Easter. So I grabbed this at the dollar store. I don't know if you probably can see because the glare is terrible, but you get 6 cards in here. We're going to do a project on that. I also grabbed this one, which was definitely Easter related. Cute little bunny holding this cute little flower. Again, 6. Oh no, you get 8 in here. 8 cards in here. We're going to use this as a project. And then I got a whole bunch of these single cards. I spent like $13 on all these single cards. Why did I do that to myself? Only God knows why. But I just, like, I could not decide on what. I wanted to minimize it from like 13 to like maybe half, but I just couldn't. I could not do it. So I just grabbed everything. So I grabbed this one, which I am thinking of doing a project on this as well. How do I say no to this? How do you say no to that face? I had to, right? So I grabbed 2 of these because I want another, again, I'm doing another project for you guys. I can't wait. You guys are gonna love when I start working on these greeting cards. You're going to love it. So make sure if you go to the Dollar Tree, make sure you pick up a few of these greeting cards that you guys want to work with so that you're ready to do this project with me when I am ready to, you know, do the video. So I grabbed 2 of these because that face is just beautiful and gorgeous. And then I found this one and I said to myself, oh my gosh, I want to pass out. I saw this and I loved it. Look how gorgeous these bunnies are, guys. I saw this and I thought to myself, I can frame this, literally frame it and just make it into an artwork, like an art gallery or whatever. It's just beautiful. It's just gorgeous. Like this card, this greeting card is just absolutely gorgeous. I grabbed 2 of these. I didn't have any more, but I grabbed what they had. And then I also grabbed this one as well. Again, I'm planning to do a project. And then I grabbed a few of these because I'm doing a project for you guys. So hopefully you guys are going to enjoy this like little series that I want to do separately from my Easter series. So we'll see how that works out. I think it's going to come out perfect. I think you guys are going to really like this kind of like short 4 or 5 video series. But for the moment, make sure that if you find any greeting cards that are Easter related that you guys like, pick it up, you know, and purchase it. And then we'll see what we can do with these cards. I have like 4 or 5 ideas that we're going to be working with, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be lots of fun. Okay, honeys, so I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys enjoy seeing my haul videos. Make sure you stop by and see more wonderful, awesome things that I'm going to be doing for you guys for Easter series, which will be coming up soon. Follow me on Instagram if you guys want to get updates on my videos, and see my pictures that I post, and make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you return, honeys. I love you all. Have a fantastic weekend. Please be safe out there, and I will see you guys hopefully in another few days with the #1 video for the Easter series. Yay! Okay, honeys, have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you soon. Mwah!